Hello everyone and welcome to this course entitled Build Attendance System using Raspberry Pi, Parse and Kotlin. This course will be taught by Mr. Mohammed Belhassan, who is an assistant professor at the Faculty of Science of Gabes in Tunisia and a co-founder of the creative team, and I, Ahmed Snoon, will be with him in this course. So I am a PhD student in the field of activity recognition and augmented reality, and also I am a mobile developer and the co-founder of the creative team. So, by this course, we will discover together the Raspberry Pi technology. We will see first how to install and configure the Raspbian OS step by step. We will see how to access the Raspberry Pi device from the network using the SSH protocol or VNC viewer. And we will show you also how to control some EU input and output devices like LCD display, 4x4 keypad and RFID reader. We will see also how to connect these devices to Raspberry Pi and how to configure and program them using Python. After that, we will introduce the Parse platform, which is a powerful backend platform initially developed by Facebook. We will discover together how to create a Parse cloud backend through backup web service, and more precisely, we will see how to manage the app backend through the dashboard and how to interact with the Parse REST API using Python. Next, we will learn Android development using Kotlin from scratch. Indeed, we will see together how to use graphic components like text views, recycler views, date picker, etc. And also how to use the Android Parse client API to manage and query the cloud app backend. Also, we will implement an amazing feature of Parse, which is push notification. And last but not least, we will put the various skills we learned together in a capstone project which aims to build an attendance tracking system step by step based on Raspberry Pi, Parse and Android Kotlin. So, our course is composed of 11 sections. In the beginning, we start by initiating the Raspberry Pi single board computer. After that, we will see together how to control an I2C LCD display using Raspberry Pi. Next, we will learn how to control a 4x4 keypad using Raspberry Pi. And then we will see how to read and write data to and from RFID tags. And in the fifth section, we will start by introducing the Parse platform, and we will see how to manage the data stored in the app backend using either the dashboard or the REST API through Python. After that, we will see how to set up the Android development environment, and then we will overview the basics of Android development using Kotlin. Next, we will learn how to access and manage the Parse backend from Android Kotlin app, and before we finish, we will see how to set up push notifications in a Kotlin based Android app. And finally, we will gather the learned concept inside a single capstone project. Note that the sections having the green color will be taught by Mr. Mohammed Belhassan, and the blue ones will be taught by me, Ahmed Snoon. So in this project, we will see how to track employee attendance in real time using a Raspberry Pi based device and an Android Kotlin mobile application. And both sides of the build system will communicate together by means of a reliable cloud backend based on the Parse platform. So in this course, we're gonna need the following hardware. So we're gonna need, first of all, a Raspberry Pi Model 3 or even Model 2. And we're gonna need also a 20x4 LCD display with I2C interface. Also, we will need a logic level shifter from 3.3 volt to 5 volt. And we're gonna need also a soldering iron and a lead. We're gonna need also a 4x4 keypad and an RFID RC522 sheep. And also we're gonna need some male-female wires and male-male wires, and also a breadboard. And as an optional hardware, we're gonna need a 14-pin Pi coupler breakout kit. And finally, before we finish this video, we strongly recommend to subscribe to our YouTube channel named The Creative Team and frequently visit it to learn more things. So you can easily access to our YouTube channel using this QR code or even this link, The Creative Team. So we hope that you take our course and enjoy it, and see you in next sections.